Hello, everyone. I am Sunny. I also work with Stephen and Judith. We've been teaching computer science classes to people of all ages for about 5 years now. I am also in quarantine right now. I'm in my apartment. Been working from home for the past couple weeks. And we're going to watch the second part of this video. And as the video goes, I'll pause it to do some talking points and also give you some questions that you might later use for an assignment or a quiz in this course. So let's start, or actually continue watching this video.
There are millions of people in the United States alone whose jobs have vanished in the last few weeks.
So you probably have, family members at home that are currently not working, or maybe are able to work from home if they have the ability to do that. In our case, we are programmers, we are coders. We basically just need a computer and sometimes, internet to interact with other people, but mostly everything just happens in the computer. So right now, let's think of somebody in your family that is working from home, how they are doing it, maybe somebody else that cannot work from home, and maybe start thinking of how you could make it possible for people that they can't work from home so they can. So, how schools have like video conferencing software or like meet up online and they can talk to their students, professors. So how can we make it so that the great majority of the jobs could be done online? So let's keep that in mind.
A few weeks ago, if you had asked, should we set up our society so all the important stuff can be done from home, people would have said, no.
Right. So nobody thought this was going to happen. Feels like a movie. Everybody has to stay home. A lot of things have stopped. So there, like we mentioned before, there isn't the infrastructure right now to just easily everybody just, okay, work from home. That can't happen as fast as we want it to happen, right? So again, think of what you are doing, how you're interacting with other people, and think of a way to be able to do that. Once this passes, have a system so that everything can continue to work from home and be safe that way.
But now the entire planet is asking that very question, along with, how can we do it as fast as possible?
Right, so the idea here is we need to act fast. We need to come up with solutions as fast as we can so that as quickly as possible, everything can go back to normal. Everybody have their jobs, maybe implement a system where you can, work from home, and then if it requires to meet up in person, do that, but always have the option to do it online. So as we go through this course, it's always going to be the question of how can we make it so that this doesn't happen again, basically, right? So like it says right here, next time we're going to start doing some coding. That might be on paper, on a computer, or a phone. It's going to vary. So just keep watching these videos.